Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 coldest places in the world. Get ready to feel the chill as we explore these icy destinations, from the frozen wastelands of Antarctica to the biting winds of Siberia. Join me, Lenny Wachira, on this expedition to the most extreme environments on our planet. We'll uncover the challenges of life in these frigid landscapes, meet the resilient creatures that call them home, and learn how humans have adapted to survive in the face of such harsh conditions. So bundle up, grab a warm drink, and prepare to be amazed by the sheer power and beauty of these frozen realms. Our journey begins in Antarctica, a continent shrouded in ice and snow. Temperatures here can plummet to unimaginable depths, with the record standing at a bone-chilling minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. Despite these extreme conditions, life finds a way. Emperor penguins huddle together for warmth, their thick feathers and communal heat protecting them from the biting winds. Seals bask on the ice floes, their blubber providing insulation against the freezing water. And in the depths of the Southern Ocean, an array of bizarre and wonderful creatures thrive in the icy waters. Antarctica is a testament to the resilience of life and a stark reminder of the power of nature. It's a land of breathtaking beauty and unforgiving conditions, a true testament to the extremes our planet has to offer. Our next stop takes us to the village of Oymyakon in Siberia, Russia, often dubbed the Pole of Cold. Here, the average temperature in January plummets to a staggering minus 50 degrees Celsius, and the lowest recorded temperature stands at a mind-numbing minus 71.2 degrees Celsius. Life in Oymyakon is a constant battle against the elements. The ground is permanently frozen, and even breathing can be a challenge in the frigid air. Yet the people of Oymyakon have adapted to these harsh conditions over generations. They wear layers of furs and animal skins, and their homes are built with thick logs and double-paned windows to trap precious heat. Their diet consists mainly of meat and dairy products, providing much-needed calories to combat the extreme cold. Even in the face of such adversity, the human spirit perseveres. Our journey through the coldest places on Earth takes us now to Verkhoyansk, another Siberian town with a long and chilling history. Like Oymyakon, Verkhoyansk experiences long, brutal winters, with temperatures regularly dropping below minus 40 degrees Celsius. Verkhoyansk holds the distinction of having the greatest temperature range on Earth, with temperatures soaring to over 30 degrees Celsius in the short summers. This extreme swing between frigid winters and surprisingly warm summers makes Verkhoyansk a fascinating case study in climatic extremes. Despite its harsh climate, Verkhoyansk has been inhabited for centuries, originally serving as a place of exile for political prisoners. The town's isolation and unforgiving environment make it a true test of human endurance. Chapter 4. North Ice, Greenland, a frozen laboratory. We travel now from the depths of Siberia to the vast ice sheet of North Ice, Greenland, a place of immense scientific importance. This remote outpost, located deep within the Arctic Circle, serves as a vital research station for scientists studying climate change. The ice sheet here is a treasure trove of information, holding within its frozen layers a record of Earth's climate history stretching back thousands of years. Scientists drill deep into the ice, extracting cores that reveal the secrets of past climates and help us understand the complex dynamics of our planet's climate system. Life on North Ice is challenging, to say the least. Researchers endure long hours of darkness during the winter months and face the constant threat of frostbite and hypothermia. Yet their work is crucial in our understanding of the planet and the impacts of climate change. Chapter 5. Snag, Yukon, Canada. A record-breaking chill. Our quest for the coldest places now takes us to Snag, Yukon, Canada, a small village nestled in the heart of the Yukon Territory. This remote outpost holds the dubious honor of recording the coldest temperature ever measured in North America. On February 3rd, 1947, the mercury plummeted to an astounding minus 63 degrees Celsius, a temperature so low that it boggles the mind. At these temperatures, exposed skin can freeze in seconds, and even everyday tasks like starting a car become monumental challenges. Despite its extreme cold, the Snag region is home to a surprising array of wildlife, including caribou, wolves, and grizzly bears. These creatures have adapted to survive the long, harsh winters, relying on a combination of thick fur, efficient metabolisms, and remarkable resilience. Chapter 6: Barrow, Alaska, USA, Land of the Midnight Sun and Polar Nights. Our journey takes us next to Barrow, Alaska, the northernmost town in the United States. Located above the Arctic Circle, Barrow experiences dramatic extremes of daylight, with endless days during the summer and perpetual darkness throughout the winter. During the winter months, the sun doesn't rise above the horizon for 65 days, plunging Barrow into a state of perpetual twilight. Temperatures regularly drop below -30 degrees Celsius, and the wind howls across the frozen tundra, creating a biting chill that cuts through even the warmest clothing. Despite the challenges, the Inupiat people have called this harsh environment home for centuries. They have a deep connection to the land and sea, relying on traditional hunting and fishing practices to survive. But Chapter 7. Our expedition now takes us to Eureka, Nunavut, located on Ellesmere Island in the Canadian High Arctic. This remote outpost is one of the coldest inhabited places on Earth, with average winter temperatures hovering around -40 degrees Celsius. Eureka is home to the Polar Environment Atmospheric Research Laboratory, or PEARL, a vital research station studying atmospheric ozone depletion, climate change, and other critical environmental issues. Scientists brave the harsh conditions year-round to gather data and contribute to our understanding of the planet. Life in Eureka is isolated and challenging. Supplies arrive by air just a few times a year, and the sun disappears below the horizon for months on end during the winter. Chapter 8. Denali, Alaska, USA, a frozen summit. We scale new heights as we travel to Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley in Alaska, the highest peak in North America. Denali's summit, towering over 6,000 meters above sea level, is a place of breathtaking beauty and brutal cold. Temperatures on Denali can plummet to -60 degrees Celsius or lower, and the thin air at these altitudes makes breathing a challenge. Despite the extreme conditions, Denali attracts climbers from around the world, drawn by the allure of conquering this majestic peak. Climbing Denali is not for the faint of heart. It requires immense physical and mental endurance, specialized gear, and a healthy respect for the power of the mountain. Chapter 9. Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, a capital city in winter's grip. Our journey takes us now to Ulaanbaatar, the capital of Mongolia and the coldest capital city in the world. Situated on the Mongolian steppe, Ulaanbaatar experiences long, harsh winters, with temperatures frequently dropping below -30 degrees Celsius. Despite the cold, Ulaanbaatar is a vibrant city with a rich history and culture. The city's residents have adapted to the challenging climate, relying on warm clothing, traditional heating methods, and a resilient spirit. Ulaanbaatar offers a fascinating glimpse into a way of life shaped by extremes. From the nomadic herders who live on the outskirts of the city to the urban dwellers who brave the cold each day, the people of Ulaanbaatar demonstrate remarkable resilience in the face of adversity. Chapter 10. Svalbard, Norway, where polar bears roam. Our final destination takes us to Svalbard, a Norwegian archipelago located deep within the Arctic Circle. This remote and rugged landscape is known for its glaciers, fjords, and its most iconic resident, the polar bear. Svalbard experiences long, dark winters, with temperatures often dropping below -30 degrees Celsius. The sun disappears below the horizon for several months of the year, creating a magical world of twilight and northern lights. Despite the cold and isolation, Svalbard is a place of extraordinary beauty and biodiversity. From the majestic polar bears that roam the ice floes to the colonies of seabirds that nest on the cliffs, Svalbard is a testament to the wonders of the Arctic. Outro. Until next time, stay warm. Thanks for joining us on this frosty journey to the coldest places on Earth. We've explored the extremes of our planet, from the frozen wastelands of Antarctica to the biting winds of Siberia, witnessing the resilience of life and the power of nature. Remember, even in the coldest corners of our world, there's beauty to be found and lessons to be learned. These extreme environments remind us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting our planet. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Stay warm.